My name is Lourdes Perez. We've lived here for 8 years now in the Chicagoland area. When we got here, it was a huge overhaul, a complete project, but the first thing that my husband noticed was the potential to open up the stairs, exposing the stairs, and then he also created a beautiful skylight to let that natural light in. Also moved a door to create a nice laundry room for us. Those were the initial phases of the project. Through the Chicago Bungalow Association, we're able to reach out to the Energy Savers program and had our first and second floor insulated. That was also a huge step in starting the attic. We decided to keep the classic bungalow look and added a dormer for the bathroom to expand it, make it a high ceiling, but otherwise the view from the front of the house still retains that classic bungalow feel. My husband and I figured we wanted a bedroom for each child. We had the space to give them a nice living area, a nice little couch and a desk for them to do their homework, and it's been great. It's a beautiful space for them to grow up in and love where they live. I definitely love having a main floor laundry room. It's so helpful to not go up and down so many stairs. That's probably my best thing, but I also just love the beauty of the stairways and the light that it lets in. It gives it just such a homey feel, and I know that my kids love their space and their rooms, something we all enjoy as a family.